Hello everybody, if you don't know me, my name is Marcy, and if you do know me, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be doing a what's inside my con bag kind of video. I'm just showing what I bring to cons, or this video can also be what to pack for conventions. But I don't go to conventions myself. I usually go with friends or family. So my bag is going to be a little bigger because I try to carry as much stuff as I can so we can all have stuff just in case anything happens. So yeah, keep that in mind. So my bag is going to be a little big. Guys, don't get scared when I show you guys this, but yeah, she's kind of big. Sometimes at cons they'll ask you to bring clear bags, so I just bring a clear bag just in case. I really don't care. Like, most of the time, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not even the one carrying the backpack. She's kind of big. Maybe I go overboard. I'm just paranoid that something's gonna happen. Like, I just am the person who brings everything just in case. But yeah, let's get into it. I'm gonna start with this tiny pocket that you can see. So you don't need to bring this big. This is my got to be hairspray. You don't have to bring this. I just bring this because you never know. So you never know, you might need to fix a wig, somebody else might need to fix a wig, like, you don't know. I bring this just in case. You don't have to bring this. This is just what I bring. So next I have these 3 hand sanitizers. This one's from Five Below. It's like Sour Patch. This is like a spray. This is like a normal Bath and Body Works like mini one, and then this is like a normal gel one. I know you don't need to bring 3, but since they're like tiny and I can just like hand them out to people, it's not a big deal to me. So I bring 3. You don't even have to bring 1. Next, I have a mini perfume just in case, like, I might need it, somebody else might need it. This is the Champagne Toast from Bath and Body Works. I love this scent. I have so many of these, but I just bring a mini perfume. Next, I have a mini tint. I don't know what this is in here. I don't know how it got in there. And then a chapstick, because you know. Next, I have this like weird skinny brush just to brush out my wigs. Like, it's not that deep. It's just to brush my wig. Next, I have a mini fan because sometimes it gets really hot outside and you need a little fan, or if I'm like redoing my makeup and I just want it to dry faster, I'll use the fan. This is honestly a lifesaver. Like, I love this thing. I think my sister got it and I love it. I've been looking for this, honestly. I forgot I put it in there, and you can see that there's like a little bobby pin or something. I don't know. Especially since outside over here it's like 110 degrees, like, you need that. Next, I have these 2 portable chargers because who wants a dead phone? I don't. So this black one is like they're MagSafe too. This one my sister got me for my birthday, and this one is from Five Below. This one like stands, I think, but the magnet's not that strong. This one does stand and it's a little better. I don't know where she got this one from. Maybe TikTok shop, I don't know. But portable chargers. Next, I have a phone charger because you don't want a dead phone. That was everything in like this tiny pocket. Next, in my like big pocket, I have a brush, just like a normal big brush, like in case the wig is being difficult. But I have like this Hello Kitty brush. It's cute. Next is my wallet because when we go to Artist Alley, oh my god, Artist Alley, yeah. Next I have is a water bottle. I try to bring water when, oh, that's my cat back there. I try to bring water when they let you. I know sometimes they don't let you bring water bottles that like aren't clear. So if I have to bring a clear one, then I bring like the little mini ones. But if not, then I'll bring my own water bottle. I'll use a bigger one than this, but this is just to show you guys what I use. Bring water, because why am I paying $5 for a water over there? I don't know. Next is, I know. Okay, so like, I need to fix my makeup. I have the mini one somewhere, but I can't find it. But just to show you guys, I bring a setting spray. It's the Charlotte Tilbury one too, but I just can't find the mini one. Like, it's in my room somewhere, but I bring a setting spray. And like, the most important thing that I bring to conventions, it's deodorant. This deodorant, I know a lot of people don't like it, but I like it. Like, it's from Walmart. Like, it works. Like, it might work for me and it might not work for you, but whatever works. Bring a deodorant that works and that lasts. It doesn't matter what the scent is, just bring deodorant. Like, put deodorant before you get there, put deodorant on during the day, and put some on before you leave. Like, I promise it's not that hard, and I don't know why you wouldn't do that, but I'm just letting you know. Next, I would bring pimple patches, because let's say I have something going on and I just want to cover it. I don't want to put makeup on it. Like, I'm gonna put a pimple patch on it, or just hand out. It really doesn't matter. I wouldn't bring the whole box, but just for the sake of this video, I was just gonna show the whole box. I forgot to mention that I don't have this in here, but I would bring a big box of bobby pins, but I don't know where they went. I always lose them, so I have to keep buying bobby pins, but I would bring bobby pins for my wig, my clothes, for other people, whatever. Next, I have a pouch. Okay, so I have to put my bag down for this, but in this pouch, let me just like open it and hope nothing falls out. Yeah, it's a bunch of makeup. So I'm just gonna speed run the makeup and like tell you what it does. Transparent powder in case I'm greasy. Another powder in case I'm greasy. Eyelash glue in case my eyelashes fall off, in case somebody else wants eyelash glue. Blush, because blush is the first thing to like fall off your face, so I like to like reapply it. Lotion, because we don't want to be ashy. This is from Five Below. Mascara, just in case I want to put mascara on, or if somebody else wants to use mascara. Actually, don't share your mascara, that's kind of gross, but like me and my sister, we share mascara. I'm sorry, but mascara in case I want to use it, she wants to use it, whatever. My lip combo that I cannot live without, NYX Brown and NYX Soft Matte in Budapest. I told you guys how it gets to like 110 degrees sunblock. This is like all over. This is a kid's version, but it doesn't matter. Like, you put this all over your body in case I want it, in case somebody else wants it. A lip tint in case my makeup rubs off and I don't want to put lipstick on. I just have like a little bit of color on my lip. This is the Milk Jelly tint. I also use the Dollar Tree ones because those work really well. Actually, I love those. Concealer in case something happens, like I drink water and like my makeup's gone. I'll just put concealer and then put powder, and then I'm chilling. This is in case I want color on my lips, and then this is in case I want to redo my highlighter. This is a mirror that I got from a set. I don't even know how long ago. Like, it had makeup in it, but I've dropped this thing so much that there's nothing in it. It had black, but I use it all, obviously. Yeah, but that's just the mirror that I bring everywhere. And this is like a matte highlighter. I like to just put that in the inner corners of my eyes. So that's this first bag. I'm gonna show you guys my second bag. There's not as much stuff in it. And then this is my second one. This is what my little sister got me for my birthday. It just holds like random stuff in it. So here are more brushes that I couldn't fit. Blush brush, like eyeshadow brush. Look, I want to show you guys what I was doing. Was bedazzling the end of my blush brush, and honestly this took me like an hour and I had to literally give up because I couldn't do it. But yeah, and then what are these called? Q-tips, because why would you not want Q-tips? And then the last thing is clips for my hair, because it gets really hot and I just have to put my hair away, or if I'm gonna like do something, or if somebody wants hair clips, I carry hair clips too. And then in this thing, it has like a mini pouch. In here I carry the girl stuff just in case, and then I also have my AirPods in there too. So yeah, I think that's the end of my con bag tour. I hope you guys like this video. I know it's a little random, but I just wanted to post this just in case this helps somebody else. And honestly, this is so I remember what to pack for my con coming up. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked it. I don't want anybody commenting how I'm wearing glasses while I'm cosplaying Mikan. I need to see anyways. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.